In today's video, I'll show you how to file your income taxes using a T5008 Statement of Securities Transactions with TurboTax. If you've bought or sold investments like stocks or bonds and received a T5008 form, this guide will help you understand how to enter that information correctly when filing your taxes online. To begin, open the TurboTax website in your browser. Once the page loads, sign into your account. If you're new to the platform, you'll need to create an account first. This step allows you to securely save your tax information and continue your return whenever you need. After signing in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. Look for the section called Tax Home. This is the central area where you can start a new tax return or continue one you are already working on. From here, choose the option to begin your tax filing. TurboTax will guide you through a series of simple steps. The first section usually asks for your basic personal details. This includes your name, address, social insurance number, and filing status. Make sure all this information is accurate because it's required for proper processing of your tax return. Next, you'll move on to your personal profile. In this part, TurboTax may ask about your employment situation, residency status, and whether you have dependents. These details help determine which deductions or tax credits you might qualify for. Once that section is complete, you'll reach the income part of the process. This is where you report money you earned during the year. You can enter income from multiple sources, such as employment, interest, dividends, or investments. If you have a T5008 form, this is where you'll add it. The T5008 contains information about securities transactions, such as the sale of stocks or other investments. When entering this form, you'll need to provide details like the proceeds from the sale and other relevant information listed on the document. TurboTax will then use that data to calculate any gains or losses that may affect your taxes. After entering your income information, the next step is to review your return. Take a moment to carefully check all the details you've entered. This helps prevent errors that could delay your filing or lead to incorrect tax calculations. Once everything looks correct, you can move forward with submitting your return electronically through TurboTax. And that's how you file your income taxes using a T5008 form in TurboTax. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.